Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn the new lesson. The name of the lesson is Nodi, the sleepy cat. And what is the learning point of this lesson? The learning point of this lesson is always obey your parents. They will teach you good habits. Obey means what? Listen to the parents. Parents always teaches you good things, good habits which are really good for us. Let's begin this lesson with this fill in the blanks. I wake up at dash o'clock in the morning. Here write the timing. At what time do you wake up? That time you have to write here. Okay. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Write the correct time here. At what time you wake up? I go to bed at dash o'clock. And here write the timing when you sleep. Now here one quote is written. Early to bed, early to rise makes one healthy, wealthy and wise. Dear children, this is a famous quotation. Quotation means this sentence is said by someone famous person. The name of that person is Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin said this sentence. What is that? Early to bed, early to rise makes one healthy, wealthy and wise. If you wake up early, if you go to bed early, means sleep early, then you can wake up early in the morning. And if you do this regularly, this is a good habit to go to bed early and to wake up early in the morning. It's really a good habit. If you do, then what is the result of that? It makes one healthy, wealthy and wise. Now dear children, tell me, at what time do you wake up? Do you wake up late in the morning and go to bed late at night? If you are doing that, then give up this bad habit. This is a bad habit to wake up very late in the morning and go to bed late at night. It's really a bad habit. If you're having that, then give up it immediately. If you go to bed early at night, then you will get enough sleep. And you can wake up early in the morning and your day will start early and you will have successful life. Early rising is a good and healthy habit. A person who sleeps in time and rises early in the morning will have healthy body and wise mind. He will be more successful in his career or in his life. Whatever he will do best because he will get lot of time to do the work. If you sleep in time, then only you can wake up early in the morning. Importance of this good habit has told in this lesson. Let's see this lesson. This lesson is about one boy who is 6 years old. What is the name of that boy? The name of the boy is Rahul. And he has a bad habit to wake up late in the morning and go to bed late at night. And this is really a bad habit. Let's see what is given in the lesson. Now I'm going to read the lesson. You also follow me, okay? Rahul was a 6-year-old boy. This is Rahul. He is a 6-year-old boy. He never wanted to go to bed on time. His parents had many times explained to him how important it was to go to bed early. His parents often and on told him that it is very good to wake up early in the morning and go to bed early. He explained. What is the meaning of explain? Explains means to make the idea clear to him or the situation क्लिअर टू हिम. व्हॉट ही एक्सप्लेन दॅट मीन्स स्पष्ट करणे. इन मराठीत से स्पष्ट करणे. हिज पॅरेंट्स had many time explained him that it is important to go to bed early. If he go to bed early, then he can wake up early in the morning. But this Rahul never listened to them. He was not listening. तो आईवडिलांचं ऐकत नव्हता. He always kept playing till late in the night. His parents didn't know what to do. What he was doing late at night, he was kept playing. Kept playing means खेळत राहणे. Till late in the night. Late means उशिरापर्यंत, रात्री उशिरापर्यंत तो खेळत राहत असे. His parents did not know what to do. So his parents were fed up of his bad habit. They wanted that their son should wake up early.